day 2, week 2 training. Yep. Yeah, that's it. Got it. Yeah, I got all 4. I know. Wish it like just rained. Sorry about the dust. Yeah, I'm slowing down on the power line trail right here. I don't want to miss it. Oh, no, I'm just so I don't miss the turn, that's it. I think it's right here. Here's Vinny. Let's see. Yep, undisturbed. Have anything? Nothing, you? No, because, Oh, the the Dirt Devil Trail created this. My bike shut. My bike died. Stopping on the bridge with the benches and stuff. Yeah, okay, I know where I'm at. Okay, we're just on the other side. Yeah, alright guys, so we got a couple unboxing packages today. So actually this is going to be for upgrading my setup. So I'm going for a 4-monitor corner setup layout. And here's the first one right here. Alright guys, so I need a new keyboard upgrade, and this is what we got. Presenting the all-new Corsair Vanguard 96 mechanical gaming keyboard. Here we go. Let's unbox this bad boy.
Alright, here we go. First opening of the box. Let's see, okay, come on. Oh wow, we got a keyboard. It's got the switch and the keycap puller right here. That's nice. Hell yeah. We got the the nice braided cable, USB-C keyboard cable right here. Pretty nice. And here's what we've all been waiting for. The keyboard itself. Damn, this thing is nice. Gonna put the box off to the side. There you go, let's get the plastic wrap off of this. Damn, that thing is nice, holy. Alright, so apparently on this keyboard, the nice thing about it is that they're, I believe it's MLX switches. Let's see, what does it say on the box? yeah, MLX Quantum mechanical switches, already pre-lubed. Oh wow, guys, listen to that. Sounds so nice. We got a bunch of actually got mode keys on this. So these G1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 all right here. Got these. There's like for presets and stuff. Got the really nice keys on there. Got a LCD screen right here. And there's a volume knob, like a little turn knob dial thing, whatever you want to call it, right here. And basically, it's just like you can adjust volume and other like settings. Like when you have it connected to the computer, you can adjust some settings like that from this dial, which is pretty cool. That's another reason why I got it. And not only that, but the colorway too, like the black and white keys and stuff, and just this thing is amazing. And then another accessory for this, let's go back to the box right here, is, well, not really accessory, but just an add-on, is the wrist rest. So let's get the taken off right there. See here. And here's the wrist rest. Wow, some nice foam. Man, that is soft. Here, I guess this is just... Oh, it's a magnet on the bottom. All this right here, and the top of this is all magnet. Interesting. Oh, wow. Oh, that's sick. Wow, that's cool. Yep, so we got the main accessories right here. Wow, this keyboard's nice. Wow. Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, hell yeah. So, alright, so that's basically the unboxing for everything. Now let's get this, or attempt to get this hooked up. So you gotta first get this off. Wow, that's a very, wow, this USB header right here. And very nice. It almost looks like this almost looks like a USB adapter. Like the end of this right here for the cable would be like that would be USB-C. And then this is just a USB-A to USB-A to USB-C adapter. But it's all in one. This is the end you need right here. And the cool part about this keyboard actually is that it comes with integrated cable management routing. So as you can see right here, the port is right here on the bottom. Because as you can see, the keyboard has full integrated routing, cable management routing. And so the main connectivity port to power the keyboard is right here on the bottom. And you have, let's see, this looks like 5 different options for cable routing. Like, so if you choose, you can just go here, out over here, and then up right here, straight up, right here, out, right here. Which is very, very nice because different setups allow for different cable management routing. But with my setup though, I'm just gonna plug that in right there, the cable inside right there, and that's it. Oh, that's clean. Holy crap, that is clean. Really quick, I'm just gonna power on my laptop. I'm gonna plug her in. Oh, there's a screen right there. Oh wow. Let's peel off this cover right here. Alright guys, so keyboard's powered up, and yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. And yeah, this is time to get all this stuff set up over here. See you guys.